wish me dead so bad. Una wish me downfall so bad. Una wish for nobody no want me so bad. To the point where when you even go and I say, you take the woman ring. You know how serious it is for engage to bumbleclad somebody? Do you know how serious it is? For somebody take up thousands of dollars and buy you one diamond ring? Do you know how serious it is? Do you know how fucking serious that is? When I come wish death upon me, oh my body ever gone missing cause me I take the woman things and me I take people things and me no want them. I literally curse out my fiance before she actually gave me that ring, and best believe it fucking did happen. It did happen. And you know what happened? After all of that, we went back to the room and God see I know. She lock off the light and bend up and tell me to turn on my phone if I want. And I was like, what the fuck is this? Because me at this point I was upset. When I come tell me about me no want a person, I'm always honest. I don't need to lie to nobody for their things. But what is most embarrassing is that half of you fucking local Jamaican whores who no tend to run down some man when I go no nothing at all. Them not even go no money for the embarrassment where them have put on a blood clot through. Cause enough of una go through certain things. And then no one to come dictate to woman where them protect from people or how them to live them blood clot life. Like how much I want blood clot married and breed out no bumbo clot for different man. No come on this I come try to come take set for me. No take no blood clot set for me. Don't take no fucking set for me, dirty whore. Or no don't take no set for me. Don't fucking take no set for me. I see too much of una go through shit for you come bring me down, brother. Too much. Uno try with people boy pitney when I do not want all for no. We do the bare minimum for uno. Uno see somebody with a ring now. Oh, she don't like this person. Them to kill her, them to find her body somewhere. I mean they tell us that we got all of these restaurants in Jamaica go selling a pussy and still failing at it. Bumbo clot bitches, me never go out, brother. Me no blood clot left me yard. Me no left me yard like that, virgin. Go ask any bumbo clot body about me. Me no left me yard like that, brother. Me no left me yard like that, virgin. Remember me telling you that. A man still a look for me and I look for me and I look for find me. You think say me one of the same blood clot thing? Me alone. Leave me alone. And this popcorn thing is getting stale. It's getting stale. Uno delusional, no contradict uno own self about every fucking thing in my life. It's like if you don't live for see, my life uno don't feel good. Because you don't want somebody to bring down so bad, you don't want to use me as a fucking scapegoat when time I talk. You don't hear say, me a the bad guy, you don't hear say, me a this and me a that. You hear say, me a the this and me a the that because me not to defend myself, but me to allow people to walk all over me and disrespect blood clot me. And that me for do. You don't know nothing in my life, you don't understand nothing at all. Oh, she don't want the person. First, me the ear say I buy the two of them for myself. Me ear say I buy the bag for myself. Me the ear say the bag all fucking fake. Me ear all sort of things. I don't want the person. I don't want the person, so I try everything to make this person turn their mind against me.